Almost 9 o'clock in the morning. Temperature is, I believe it's 85. Heat index is already 94. And now they're saying today we could see a heat index of 115. I don't know about you, but that's just too darn hot. What do you guys think? Anyway, yeah, it's going to be a steamer today, not a cloud in the sky, and it's going to be rather toasty. And I have something coming from the UPS guy here. He should be showing up. Well, he may not be here for a couple hours. And I do have the fan going just a little bit down here, just to keep some air moving around. So I apologize for that noise, but I am going to, I've already taken some of these clips out. I'm going to remove the rest of these. I shut that fan off just for a minute. These pull out real easy. Just get behind it, I don't know, with a pick or something here. Get underneath it, and they just snap this, and they just pull off like that. Not trying to save them. I'm going to put new ones on. You should pull it off to the side. There we go. So anyway, I am going to get the rest of those clips off around here. UPS guy's bringing me the knife that you slip underneath the windshield. Get that urethane sealant off of there. But you don't get it off, you cut the windshield off of it basically. So I'm waiting for that and see if we can get this windshield out. And depending on how hot it is when I get said tool, that may or may not happen today. Might be tomorrow. Alright, got all those pulled off. Actually works a little better if you just hook something on them like that pick and then just pull them straight up. It'll come off. What is Jesse barking at now? Who knows? I think I'm going to leave these bigger clips on down here. They all look like they're in good shape, and let's try to reuse those. Do need to get the vacuum and suck all that stuff out though. So it is the next day. I went down to the P.O. box this morning, had one thing down there, and like I said in my last video, closing the P.O. box, not gonna renew that, so don't be sending any more things at the moment. May open it back up in the future sometime, but for right now, it, like I said, it costs $130, $140 to renew it, and I have other things I'd rather put that into. Just don't get that much stuff, so just don't feel that it's really worth it. Anyway, this comes from Jody and Shannon Chrisman from Arkansas. I'm not sure if it was Jody or Shannon or both that sent this, but we'll open it up and see what we have here. It's so humid out, the envelope's getting soggy. And we've got a couple of plates in here, it looks like. Or three. And first off, we have a Arkansas motorcycle plate. Next we have an Arkansas Tech University plate from 17. And last but not least, an Arkansas The Natural State plate. This is from 2009. So thank you very much, you guys. I will get this up on the wall. Like I said, the P.O. box is being shut down. So that will be it for the license plates, for the license plate wall. If you have something that you really want to send in, get a hold of me and we'll work something out. And it is steaming up in here, but I did receive yesterday, the UPS guy finally showed up, and I got the tool for taking out the windshield. And I have used one of these before. It's been a long time ago, and as I remember, it takes a little practice to be able to use it effectively, but I think we'll make it work. And I will also link this down below in the description if you'd like to get one of your very own. And like I said, it is a steamy day again. The sun isn't out as much today though, so that's a good thing. But man, it is hot and humid. Not much air moving today either. At least yesterday there was a breeze. Sun was out with a breeze. Today there's not much of a breeze. Partly cloudy. They say we could get some storms later on. There's some big storms firing off up that direction. Not sure if we're going to see any or not though. Alright, got my camera set up here the best I can. One of the trickiest parts I think is getting this started under the glass. And if I happen to crack the windshield, Don't care, it's already cracked. I'm gonna put a new one in it. I got it under the glass. You want to just tip this back a little bit. You pull with this hand, not this hand, and it should go pretty easy. And that's all there is to that. So I'm going to go ahead and go around the rest of the windshield here and get that all cut out. We're going to pull this windshield out of here. Alright, so I went up and cooled down in the house for a little while. And this was a fail. Made it look real easy over here on this side, didn't I? But yeah, after I got that done and tried going along the top, that didn't work. Tried going over on that side, that didn't work. Along the bottom, I just could not get it to work at all. This side, I don't know why this came out so easy, but it did. Managed to crack the windshield a bit, but I really don't care. And did some damage to it as well. I think I'm making more of a mess than anything. Kind of tore it up there. And I know there's a couple other places. Yeah, there's one there, one there, one there, one there. So I decided to quit. And then I took some MIG wire from the welder, fished that in under the windshield, tried to saw it back and forth. Well, the MIG wire just broke. So need to get me a little bit stronger wire. I think I could probably get it out that way. Not that big a deal. I wanted to get the windshield out today, but not gonna happen today. I'm gonna get some different wire and see if I can get it out that way. If I can't get it out that way, I'm gonna get somebody that's what they do. Have them come do it. And kudos to those guys. They make it look so easy, like when you watch a video or something on it, but it's kind of an art, I think. And evidently, I'm just not very good at it. Anyway, it has cooled off. I think the air temperature right now, I think it's 81 degrees. Heat index is only like 85. Just to the south of us though, not very darn far. I was reading the forecast discussion on National Weather Service. It said the heat index is 110. Been having rounds of thunderstorms up to the north, quite a ways north of here, all day long, and there's some outflow boundary or I don't know, something that worked its way down this direction. That's what cooled things off. There are some storms off that way and they're kind of heading this direction. I don't think it's anything real big, but we'll see. Apologize for the wind noise, but that's looking off to the northwest. Well, there's something coming. I don't think it's going to amount to a whole lot though. Yeah, we'll get back in the shop here. What do you think, Jessie girl? What do you think? Camera's on you. What do you think? Nothing. Just, you don't care. Okay. Hi, bud. Now that guy showed up again. And I did get the license plates up on the wall. I put the two automotive plates, Arkansas automotive plates, put them up over here. And last but not least, a little motorcycle plate, hung it up over here. And wouldn't you know it, just got an alert on my phone. Dangerous thunderstorm alert. So here we go again. Yeah, it's raining just a little bit here, boys and girls. Just a little. Blowing pretty good too. They weren't lying when they said 60-mile-an-hour winds. It's let up just a little bit. Camera probably doesn't do it justice. And there go the things out of the pool. Great, great. I hope they land in the beans and just stay put. And maybe they will, probably not. Not much I can do about it right now. No hail yet. They said there's penny-sized hail too, but not seeing any of that yet. Well, it finally settled down some. It stopped raining, I think, and then it just started again, but I think it's going to stop I need to go, I don't know if you can see them, I need to go get the pool things out of the field, bring them in, because there's another round off that way a little ways, and it's coming this way. Whether it'll make it this far or intensify or disappear, who knows. Not bad. We did lose a piece of siding, blew off of the barn. It was blowing pretty good. I'm not sure what it looked like on camera, but it was blowing pretty hard. Round 2 coming in. This one actually sounds like it might be a little more interesting. A lot more thunder going on with it, I know that. I don't think the camera's picking it up very good, but it's pretty darn dark off that way, and that's coming this direction. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, it started raining again. Like blowing from the other direction now. It's blowing in here too. Not much I can do about that, but yeah, it's blowing pretty good. We're in a severe thunderstorm warning again. Boy, that's a cold rain too. It's really cooled off. I don't think it's going to amount to a whole lot. I don't think anything really severe, but it's blowing pretty good. Anyway, I will let you know if anything else happens. Well, I just shut the camera off, but boy, that wind is really picking up. Well, we're in a severe thunderstorm warning. Power has been going on and off and on and off like really fast. Looks like it's got to be about over. It's getting light, off that direction. It's got to be about done. Thing is, our power comes from Des Moines, which is off that direction, and that's where all this is headed. So I don't know, we'll see. I got the generator here, so I can fire that up if I need to. So not really any severe weather, just a big old thunderstorm rolling through. We'll see what the rest of the night has in store. I think it's pretty much over. So I think that's about it, guys. Total fail on getting the windshield out. Once again, kudos to the guys that do that every day. And the lights just flickered again, but anyway, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time.